So hello guys, it's Jer again of JerBeer.tv. This is another unboxing. This time it's a air compressor. It's the brand is Steiner. Steiner. This is the brand in the price. It's less than 100 euro. So I use it for my. I'm using it for my plasma cutter from Steiner. And I use it for my motor here, for the tire of my motor. Sometimes it's going flat. That's why we need to head like this one. And in the future, we will send it to the Philippines for our next project there. So let's unbox it. So guys, this is a 6-liter air compressor, 1.6 horsepower, the maximum of 8 bar air pressure. So let's Steiner. Okay, let's unbox it. So I had my plasma cutter here, also from Steiner, but unfortunately I broke the, I had the unboxing video of my plasma cutter, but it was I lost the video footage. We test our plasma cutter for this compressor. So let's see what is inside. So here she is with the manual. Steiner 6-liter, 1.6 horsepower. It says it includes hose, some nozzle, and this is the pressure meter. So let's check. Okay, here's the hose. With this adapter, and the other one is, I don't know how to, but let's check. This is the hose. I think this is a 3 meters hose. And then what else? Okay, let's take it out of the box. Some styro to protect the machine, and this is another accessories. Okay. So this is the heater, air gun. There's another here, and another hose here. And then some nozzle. See what is this? Some like this. And some like this. This long pin. I think this is the pin for if you want to inflate the, the basketball, some kind of balls. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 3 pieces plastic for the, I think for the, if you want you to use it in the airbed, or some balloons, you can use it. Okay. Let's put this aside. And here she is. Wow, wow, wow. 6-liter compressor from Steiner. Look here. So I think this is the output. Honestly, I don't know. This one is for what? And this is the knob. Okay, it's super tight. This is to this is the maximum. Wala. And this is the power cable. Wala. What is this? Oops. 97 dB. Let's take the specification. .6 horsepower, 220 volts, 240 volts, 250 hertz. Hertz. Yes. So let's try. plug it. And we put this on la. I think we can put this here. Voila. And then this is here. So let's try. Nice one. Let's use this. So it's stop until the 120 psi. Is it psi? Yes. It's good, not bad. But the problem is 50 hertz. I thought this is 60 hertz. Because he told me that it's 60 hertz. In the Philippines, our electricity frequency there is 60 hertz. I can use it, but it will have a problem in the future because of the motor. So this is if you want to remove the pressure from here, you put it here. Yes. And I think this one is for the water drain, to drain the water. You have some water at the bottom. Yeah. No, I know. So guys, this is the unboxing of my compressor, 6-liter compressor from Steiner. We can use it to our plasma cutter soon. So thank you very much, and please subscribe to my channel, JLB.TV. Merci beaucoup, au revoir.